Hi, so yeah, it's late. I'm really sorry. And if you hear what's playing um in the background, I'm watching naked tutorials. There's me in the background, so yeah, don't mind that. But yes, I've already swept and mopped the floor yesterday, and today I'm planning on like first is to wipe all the dust because it's very dusty and oh my god, it's very dusty. I'm going to show you guys that later. I'm just going to fast forward things here and there. So yeah, and by the way, it's already noon and it's time to eat, and I don't know what to eat. There's nothing on my fridge because duh, it's basically all eggs and water. So we're going to, yeah, eat canned goods, and I'm going to eat my favorite spam because I love spam. And yeah, I love spam as I love the hot dog Virginia, the only hot dog I like, and the corned beef pure food. So yeah, and I'm also planning on eating popcorn later on for dessert. So yeah, let's scoop this spam and yeah, we'll eat. So here it is. I opened it. Oh, oh my god, I'm going to hurt myself for this. Okay, so open it. Yes. I know a lot of people or a lot of, I don't know who those people are, like hate spam or this can, but I really love it. I'm using the spam light because as we know, the spam original spam is a bit um salty, and this is the first time I'm going to try the light because I love the saltier one. I love the original one, so yeah. Just oh my god, I'm excited. So here's my food for now, like a brunch type of thing. And I've got something over here, like some concoction. Yeah, let's eat. Or I watch YouTube. Let's do this. And yeah, so I'm about to go and buy some locks, odd locks, and all of that. So today I just finished some like the skincare products that I've got. So today for moisturizer, I'm going to use this soothing gel from Lux Organics. At night, I used this one last night, but I didn't film that. So it's been quite almost a year of having not using this. I'm just going to do that, and yeah, I'm not really going to like put on makeup because why not? Because why? You can't even use. I can't even wear, or you can't even see it through the mask. So why bother? And yeah, I got this mask way years ago that I bought this for around 50 bucks. This cotton mask, reusable cotton mask. I got this, and it's not even pandemic at all. So it's just for daily use or like dusts and all that. And then pandemic happened, so it got useful, and yeah, so there's a lining inside. So yeah, I've already put on mask, but I forgot the scent of this, but I've been loving this before, so diba? I want to smell it. Oh my god, I remember the scent. Whoa! So yeah, I'm not going to put on makeup. If you wanted to make, I want me to, I think I'm going to make, makeup videos because it's been like, I don't know, months since I did makeup thing. So yeah, so I'm going to out, and I don't know if you're gonna see me somewhere outside, but yes, about that. Hi. So today, kauwi ko lang galing, dun sa may, buti lang, hindi natanggal. So, dun sa my nearest, no, actually not nearest, like some mall dun sa may South Town. Handyman, I went there, hardware, because I bought locks and some, like, ano tawag nito? Safety hasp. Yan. I bought two. Ang cheap lang niya, and I don't know, I think, if this is cheap quality, I don't know, let's see. I don't know if I remembered, how much is this? Okay, it's 45 pesos. Yeah. So 45 pesos each. And then next would be, okay, let's start with what's first here. So barrel boat. I think this is the barrel boat. Yes, this one. And I got 3 of the same kind. I don't know what's the difference. It's chrome. The other one is chrome. Which one is chrome? What? What's the difference? But the prices are all 50 each. They're all the same. But I don't know which one is the chrome, which one is not, but yeah. Whoa, they're all the same. I bought 4, 50 each. Yes, that. 4 yen. And then next is a green field brass padlock. So yeah, this one is 135 pesos. This one is small one, and I bought 2 of it, the matching. So, and then next is this one. This has safety has. This almost the same but thicker. So this one is 120, and yeah, as you can see the price, you get what for the price. And then I know this is not, yeah, this one is a Stanley. And then I bought another Greenfield brass padlock for 325. I know 235. I rumbled the price for that. And then I bought another one for like this cute blue one, because I saw this, and I bought this for, I don't know, for 75 pesos. Yes. And lastly, a pocket knife that I bought at Daiso, because I've been wanting one ever since. So this one is 188 pesos. So yeah, let's open this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and it's black. It's cute because I've been wanting this for quite a while. So yeah, it's good for, it's very handy. Ooh. Now I'm all black. So that's it for the haul. Because I love myself some I bought this at SM yesterday.
So what we're having is
yeah.
there it is.
Eating my favorite snack.
How do you say cheers?
So as you can probably tell, smoking, our home is smoking, because don't you worry, it's nagpapa-insenso ako, and because it's been almost 3 years, so it's due, like, I don't know, removing bad spirits here. So frankincense siya if in English, so incenso siya in Filipino. So yeah, and I'm just for a couple of hours been procrastinating, and then I think I'm going to put this and put everything I bought into its places. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That was thy ring. So yeah, parang siyang crooked. Everything is crooked. Guess who am I? I'm not that good at carpenting, so I'm going to continue that tomorrow in the other side. So yeah, in the other door. So that's it for today. I'm just going on. Whew, that hits the spot. So I'm going to finish the vlog here because there's not much happening later on. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing if you haven't subscribed to this channel. And yeah, see you in my next one. Bye guys.